Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, you are using a trick to convert a string data type into a number data type. So earlier we used to convert string data type into a number data type. We used to write two to three lines, but with this trick you can do this within one line. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button and share this video as much as possible. So without a further delay, let's start. So first we will open our console so that we can code there. Here, this is my console. How to open it? Just go right click, inspect, and here you will see your console and just start typing. So first we will take a variable that is of string, like a is equal to 5, okay, and b is equal to 5. So as we can see that this 5 is string, but this 5 is number. So what happen if I try to add these two, console.log in bracket a plus b. So what will be the output? 55. So as predicted, it is not adding, it just concatenating with a string data type to a number data type, as expected. So how can we convert it into a number data type so it can add, and without writing a single extra line of code we can do this. So if I check the console.log, if I check the data type of a, so see string, and if I check console.log type of b, wait, b, it will give me number. So I want to change this string into a number without writing a single extra line of code. So we can do this. Let's see how. So in JavaScript, first, what we did was console.log a plus b. Directly we are adding this, but this is not giving me a result as expected. It is not adding, it's just concatenating. And here we are using add operator, plus operator. See here, plus operator. So what we are going to do is console dot log bracket a pl wait plus plus b. So what will be the output? So see again, 55. So here what happen is a plus b, and it is giving me 55. Okay, so let's try another thing. So here we are coding with, I am coding with you guys. So in comment section, tell me why is this happening? A plus b. Now nothing change, nothing change. Okay, I am printing the same thing two time, so that I am giving you a time so that you can guess it why it is not changing. So first thing first is, so I'm going to write the solution of this code, that is C. In JavaScript, the first plus is used to adding and the second plus is used to converting the string to a number. So the issue here is I am adding extra plus in front of B, extra plus in front of b, that is already a number. So how it will concatenate, how it will convert it from string to number? It is already a number. So console.log b plus a. Now see 10. Now you understand why I wrote this two times, so that you can understand this, why it is happening. I already explained you, if I use one plus it is used for adding, if I use another plus it is used to convert the string data type to number data type. Oh, it also works with boolean data type. Okay, this trick also works with boolean data type. So what I was doing is converting a number data type into a number data type. See here, my variable b is a number data type. Okay, see here, b is my number data type. So it was not working. So but this time, after I explain you the logic, and then I did was converting a string data type, adding an extra plus in front of a that is a string data type, and convert it into a number. Now let's check console.log bracket type of bracket a, see what is the output. It is still giving me string. Now the question is why it is still giving me string, and I already changed it into a number data type, and I already uh, print the result here, you can see that, but why it is giving me string? So this question is for you guys, and mention me in the comment section why it is giving me still string. Okay, so I hope you understand the video, and let's meet in another video. Happy learning. Bye bye.